Here we come to the North Wing elevator at Steward Observatory at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This has GAL fixtures. And I believe it was installed in 1992. Let's get our CAD view. Very nice. GAL interlock. Let's go up to 4. Little low on oil. Let's go down to 1. Door close button works. It's our cab view. Has to be 3,500 pounds. This is elevator number 3. ADA compliant phone. I believe this may be a Hotchkiss elevator. But everything, this is GAL fixtures. Vandal resistant. Let's see if the bell will ring. It's very quiet. Now let's go up to 2. And the door close button works. Let's see if we got some plastic leveling. Very nice. Anyways, let's ring the bell. Awesome GAL dinner bell. Anyways, here it goes. And that's gonna be it.